Ladies and gentlemen, I am Kshitij Sharma, and it's an honor to be standing before you today as the chair of the United Nations Security Council. The UNSC is not merely a platform for discussion, it is a fortress for global security, a beacon of hope in times of crisis, a forum where the world comes together to grapple with international issues. It is a symbol of our shared commitment to the maintenance of peace and security in our ever-evolving world. Today, we gather here with a sense of purpose and resolve, driven by the profound recognition of the challenges that confront us. The world is witnessing an insidious spread of global extremism, a menace that transcends borders, cultures, religions. It threatens not just individual nations, but the very fabric of international peace and security. The agenda before us is both crucial and timely, preventing and countering violent extremism. We must confront the root cause of extremism, mitigate its devastating consequences, and develop strategies to prevent it from taking root and flourishing within our societies. Let us remember that we are entrusted to the responsibility of creating a safer world for our present and future generations. Let us rise up to this challenge and create a lasting impact. Thank you very much.